Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. So we are from Group 1 coming from International Class 2022 and we are here for our public accounting class to present our presentation about comparison of public sector implementation, a study case from USA and Vietnam. But before we start, I would like to introduce ourselves. So I am here, Kinanti Melina, and I am here presenting with my friends Dinda Putri Merida and Yuni Wulandari. And these are the table of content as you can see on the screen. Okay, so for the introduction, I will explain it by myself. So by implementing a good system, such countries' public sector could lead in increasing productivity, which possibly would have been done through hybrid management and organizational form along within their public operations, such as conducting intensive public services. And then in public sector, specifically government, usually mandated to present a report regarding their public activities that could improve their accountabilities. Various countries have implemented their own accounting standards as the best for their public purchase preparation. And in USA and Vietnam, as countries must have their own public sector system and standard implemented there that are interesting to compare and acknowledge due to the diversity of public accounting in some part of the world. So here are the problem statements you can see here.
Okay, for the first discussion is public sector implementation in USA. Currently, USA governmental accounting standards are set by GASB or Governmental Accounting Standards Board. GASB is an independent private sector organization that develops and issues accounting and financial reporting standards for state and local government in the United States, overseen by the Financial Accounting Foundation or FAF. In general, there are 6 entities that are covered by general accepted accounting principle in government as shown on the screen. There is state government, local government, and etc. In the AISPA Audit and Accounting Guide for Nonprofit Organization, there is a definition of government nonprofit organization, defined as public corporation, uncorporate, and political bodies. For example, public hospital, economically developing corporation, etc. In addition, this organization needs to meet one or more of the following characteristics. First one is election of official or appointment or approval of a majority of the organization governing board members by official in one or more state or local government. Second is potential unilateral dissolution by a government with net assets returned to the government. And the last characteristic is authority to levy or enforce tax collection. And for the objective of governmental accounting and financial reporting, in concept statements 1, objective of financial reporting identifies the primary users of state and local government financial statement, as well as the primary objective of each user. The foundation and primary objective of all financial reporting in government is accountability, which requires government to be accountable to citizens for justifying the collection of public resources and the purpose for which those resources are used. Financial reporting serves as an all-to-user in assessing. And here are the characteristics of effective financial reporting, as you can see on the screen. Next slide, please. And there are a hierarchy of governmental accounting standards. The American Institute of Certified Public Accountant clarifies the level of authority of various types of accounting principles and other accounting literature. SAS 69 divides established accounting principles and other accounting literature into two main categories. Entities other than government and government entities. Within each category, established accounting principles are divided into 4 levels. Level A through D, as you can see on the screen, with the level A being the highest level of authority.
And then the next is public sector implementation in Vietnam. There are 4 factors. The first one is supporting from consulting organizations and regulators. It influenced by 3 aspects. The first one is professional activity is influenced by professional communities. Second is the choice and application of accounting standards is strongly influenced by auditors. And the third is managers have leadership responsibility to educate others about the importance and need to comply with public accounting standards. And then the second factor is level of training and professionalism. To support training, there is a need for cooperation between authorities, state agencies, and educational institutions to regularly organize seminars on specific standards and teaching implementation methods to achieve consensus in line with the expectations of the Ministry of Finance and Government when issuing this system of standards. And then the third factor is implementation cost. So the implementation of PPSAS involves a number of costs, such as research costs, cost of training employees on the reform program, cost of purchasing software and hardware, cost of implementing the new accounting package and passing out the old accounting package, and so on. And then the last factor is information technology application. So in this case, investment in information technology systems that suit the specific needs and nature of work in each area is required. For instance, like upgrading computer accounting system, infrastructure, data management system, and accounting software, as well as passing out old accounting system to adapt to the implementation of new applications such as PPSAS.
And to be short, the comparison between USA public sector and Vietnam public sector is show on the screen, including the standard that they use, which are GASB and PPSAS. And then in conclusion, the discussion highlights distinct approaches to public sector accounting implementation in the USA and Vietnam. In the USA, adherence to generally accepted accounting principles governed by GASB ensures accountability and transparency with a defined hierarchy of accounting standards. Additionally, specific regulation by AICPA categorized nonprofit organizations. Conversely, Vietnam adopts Vietnam public sector accounting standards with emphasis on support from consultants and regulators to enhance transparency. The focus lies on improving professionalism through training, managing implementation costs, and leveraging advancements in accounting information system. Both nations prioritize accountability and effective financial management, albeit through different frameworks and strategies tailored to their respective contexts. And then for the critical evaluation, in order to guarantee accountability and openness in financial reporting, GASB establishes guidelines for US state and municipal governments. Covered entities include public authorities, schools, hospitals, and governments. Accounting principles place high priority on citizens' responsibility and mandated that financial reporting be consistent, comparable, timely, comprehensible, and dependable. Comprehending and honoring these guidelines are essential to open and efficient financial administration in the public sector. There are numerous significant obstacles in the way of Vietnam's adoption of public accounting standard, which the first one is the stricter regulation and administrative leadership are required to ensure constant adherence to standards, and then practitioners' training and professionalism need to be improved. And then the government have to support and open resource distribution are necessary due to high implementation costs. And then ultimately, the proper use of information technology is critical to enhancing financial management, requiring investments in appropriate IT system and personnel development. And then, so that's all our presentation today. Thank you so much for your attention.